Hello.
Hello.
There's a big cow looking at me.
Yeah, we're doing something kind of like, we don't normally do this kind of stuff. It's more like hikes and things. So cool.
Yeah.
Like they designed it really beautifully. I want to go into every nook and cranny. So where should
every cheese nook?
Yeah, every cheese nook and cranny.
Upstairs first.
Upstairs first?
Yeah.
All right. So we actually get to take off our masks, which is cool. We're vaccinated and we showed proof of it. And so they let you take your mask off. They also gave us little cheese snacks. So that's that guy right down there. That long flat one right down there. So one of the things that I'm enjoying about this tour is just the style of the actual factory.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Here we go. We're almost done. That's my masterpiece.
This message is brought to you by the Partnership for Creamier Ice Cream.
That was a pretty cool tour.
Yeah.
So it's like 11:30 a.m. and our lunch apparently is going to be ice cream.
I'm okay with that.
I mean, you're at the Tillamook factory. What are you going to do? Jealous. What did you get, Ryan?
Marionberry pie.
I kind of went out of the box of my usual, and I got something called Monster Cookie, which is a cookie dough flavored ice cream with peanut butter swirl and oatmeal cookie chunks and chocolate chips and like M&M type candies.
Is it good?
Yeah, do you want to try it? You have an ice cream mishap?
Cone break. Gotta eat it.
If you're in this area, I highly recommend coming to do a tour. It's self-guided, so you can go at your own speed.
And they have a boat in the front yard.
Also, it's free. And you can buy ice cream at the end of it, so I don't see where the downside is. What was your favorite part?
The ice cream.
Okay, so what did you enjoy?
The ice cream.
What did you find interesting?
The ice cream.
Yeah, okay. What did I find interesting? That's a good question. I'm glad you asked. I actually liked their kind of sustainability stuff that they're doing, like how nothing really goes to waste. If cheese gets cut off of a block to make weight, that goes to their shredded cheese product. All of the whey excess, that gets turned into like protein powders and baby formula. And they're even doing stuff with like cow methane productions to produce energy, which is fascinating. Also, just getting to see the whole cheese process was really cool. I do like seeing how things are made. So. And the ice cream.
It's like cheese Disneyland.
Cheese Disneyland.
Want to know the secret of delicious creamy ice cream? Cream.
This message is brought to you by the Partnership for Creamier Ice Cream.